These are two files ECW.
There are actually 20 files in what I have given you. That is 20 square kilometer of data. One tile is 1 square kilometer.
Okay.
Yep. So this is 1 square kilometer tile actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Which area is this?
This is for Meghalaya.
Okay.
Why it looks like this is going upside
What, sir?
this one? If I unclick this one, it is not being in the center part when I'm switching it to the EC2, the 41 and 42.
Sir, it will not be on the center part because all images are geotagged.
Oh,
So nothing will be on the center. Only if you are working on one tile at a time, you can center the tile at work. But when you are opening more than one tile, you can't do center it
hmm,
because it will be placed based on the location data.
okay.
Yeah.
Can we do georeferencing this by adding
No, it is
the map?
already geo-referenced and everything is done already there.
So if I add some Google Earth here, it will be geotagged. Is it?
No, it is all
It will.
already geotagged there.
Yeah,
If you can see on the
yeah.
left of your screen, there is one thing called meters, right? Running there.
Let's say
The bottommost one, left side, there is one thing called meters.
okay. So this is
These are all processed ortho images, sir.
this one you see on the right
Yeah,
bottom.
yeah, yeah. That is the one. That is the one.
Okay, so this is
These are all processed ortho images, so it will be
hmm,
full plain only.
okay. If I'm adding a base map as any Google Earth here, so it will be automatically placed on that. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I do it for checking how it will be visible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Can you guide me?
That we can do. Let me just share my screen. Yeah. Actually, I have given you the middle portion of the entire data. Actually, this is the total plot which I have given you. So each tile is actually 1 square kilometer.
Okay.
Each and every tile will be 1 square kilometer here.
Yeah.
See. It is exactly 1 square kilometer. That is each side is 1,000 meters. So that is why our perimeter is somewhere around 3,000 meters,
Mm,
3,996.
mm.
Exactly, it is 1,000 meter by 1,000 meter.
The total near to 4 kilometers.
What, sir?
So somewhere 4 kilometers totally.
Yeah, yes, sir. That is each side is 1 kilometer. So that the area is 1 square kilometer. So here you will have all features. This is all 2D ortho. Actually, this is a hilly terrain, but we have generated it as a 2D ortho for mapping work.
Mm.
And wait. So yeah. So this is the basic background of the project, which is, it is done for smart city mission or urban planning or anything based on the required department, but it should satisfy the requirements of the local urban local body, which might be the local corporation, municipality, whatever it is. The main objective is to create seamless means errorless, non-overlapping topology correct GIS base map of the city. So here topology plays a very vital role, and this is a smart city application, and also to establish a master plan. So scalable and interpretable spatial database means it is a master plan. What you are
Master
selecting.
plan means
Master plan means like it will be one database. It will have like 300 to 400 details. Like for example, if you select a home, it will give you number of adults, number of children, what is the number of voting people, what is the number of non-voting people, what is the patta number, what is the sale deed, what is the record available, exactly at what location it is, who is the current owner. So all details regarding government agency will be displayed.
Oh,
If you select one particular point, that is said to be a master plan.
okay.
So this work
Those
was done for
details will
preparing.
be those details will be given by the
Yeah,
government.
digitalizing we have to do. All other details will be like sometimes provided from the department, or else we have to give a team for door-to-door survey and add the detail into that. So it should be like that. There are two possibilities. One is you can get data from the department. Other one is you have to deploy your team to do a door-to-door survey and add the data. So this is total area of coverage. So these are all different zones inside corporation and municipality limits. And these are all the thematic layers which we want. That is, you have to create a database with these are all the field. So road, you have everything is a polygon. There is no line, point, nothing. So you have to give roads, building, airport, helipad, playground, agriculture land, channel, river, platform, parking area, road divider, okay, forest, garbage dump, golf course, graveyards, green covers, open land, plantation, electrical substation, and all other things. And I'll also show you some references towards it. So here you can see each and every feature how to do it. Like if it is a road, this is how your road feature should be properly curved and smooth road. So I'll share you this document also and build up area. So this is how your build up area should be marked with the accessibility to road, and all edges should be sharp unless and until you have a fence. See. So this is how your build up boundary should be marked neat and clean. So in this case, all minor roads should also be marked, which is, here you are seeing, right? Some minor roads. So these are all also should be marked here. And open spaces. So any area other than the build up area can be put in open land, plantation or vacant plot. So like that you have to split all areas. And these type of middle things are said to be traffic islands. And all agricultural land should be divided as per bunds actually. So where and all you are having agricultural bunds. See here you are having these type of bunds, right? These type of bunds where and all you are having, those places you have to split. And this type of small things are canals. Whatever is running here is a channel. So this also you have to draw and split and show. And connectivity is like all build-up area should have a road connectivity. It should be connected with one way or the other to the road. No build-up area should be left without a road connectivity. And see, in these type of cases, you have to split everything. And this is a water body. You have to split all agricultural land, irrespective of how many is there. That many you have to split. So these are all small water bodies, like it will be continuous throughout, and every water body should be connected also. And in these type of cases, these small locations are all water bodies only. The valley point where you have, these are all actually considered as water body. So these things also you have to check. And these type of small things also you have to put it in road.
What is that actually? Is it a road?
What's that?
What these things? Is that a road?
Yeah, these small things you have to put it in road.
As a
This
line
here
or
you can see, right? No, no, there is no line picture in it. Everything is a polygon in this.
okay.
Whatever I'm giving, there is no line picture itself. Everything is a polygon. I'll share you this reference document also to refer before doing anything. And these type of agriculture land in middle of forest area also, you have to put it as agricultural land here, here. Okay, so anything agriculture land, you have to put it like this.
But it looks like nothing there.
No, sir,
Surrounded
actually,
by
no, surround there is nothing actually, but these are all agriculture lands only.
trees, but inside there
Yeah,
is a
but
valley.
since Meghalaya is, this Meghalaya state is itself like this only there. Wherever you have, you can have these type of agriculture lands here and there, surrounded by trees and forests. And these are all not trees; these are all plantation areas. If you see, you
Mm.
will see the arrangement of plants in a particular order. So this is all plantation areas. Like wherever you are having trees which is less than your height, maybe by seeing or assuming, those and all you have to put it in plantation areas. See, here you have a water body here. These and all you have to put it in agricultural land. Here there is a road here, and you have one water body here. So all these things you have to check. So as far as this project is concerned, the main thing, and see, you will have these type of garbage dumping locations. So only these areas you have to put it in garbage. So these type of areas only you have to put it in garbage. Other than this, balance you don't need to put it in garbage. And you will have dividers, I guess. And these type of areas, I think you can differentiate from golf course to. So I'll give you this image also. You will have all reference features, what and all you are having. And these type of public areas, you have to. These are all parking areas, and these are all graveyards. So these type of things you have to split it. So this will be the major errors that you will be coming through, which is attribute will be wrong. Your boundary will not be perfect. Roads are not properly captured. Water bodies are missing. Maintain smoothness. Open land should be captured and agriculture land should be split up. That is, see, these type of areas, you have to split it into open land. And these are all not single property. You have multiple properties here. See, you have compound wall here. This is one property.
Mm.
This is another property. This is another property. So like that, you have to follow as per. This is one property. This is one property. So these are all the references which we have given the agencies for correction, which we have got from their side also. And see, if there is a compound wall like this, the area between the road and the compound wall is the open land. It should be even. See here, road is here, compound wall is here. Balance
Mm.
area should be put it in open land. So these type of things you have to consider. See, and your property is not captured properly. If road ends here, every property should have the access with the road. So like this you have to draw. So see, it is not like you have to put it in different boxes. Your boundary should be marked perfectly wherever you are drawing it. So here we have given you feedbacks also, and these are all different features which you have to carry. See, this is the places I told. And see, the white line is here, so you have to capture as per the white line, not as per the road tar, and this portion should be more smooth everywhere. Whatever you capture, it should be smooth and clean. And see, here there is a small passage like thing which they have forgotten. So this type of steps or passages should also be considered as road. Since in Meghalaya, mostly you will have only these type of steps in all areas rather than roads. So these should also be considered in roads. Okay. I think you will have all features and corrections here. And all areas should be split evenly like this actually. So you will have your water body here, your passage for road, whatever people are using for walking, that also you have to capture perfectly. So this is said to be parcel mapping or feature extraction or master planning or urban designing. The terms all define the same thing, but the main thing is you have to put it in proper attribute and proper digitalization only. Okay, so these will be the list of attributes, and your this will be the basic technical designation, like it will be in WGS 1984 as per 43 north or 44 north. This will be your scale. These are all your error data as per ortho. So this will be your topology rules, which is no polygon should not overlap one another. No gaps or sliver polygons are permitted, and all polygons must be closed, valid, and error free. So these three things you have to check in topology and other corrections. And this is for drawing building rules. All buildings shall be digitalized as per footprint. The footprint means the building top actually.
Mm.
For example, yeah. If this is a portion, your data should be accurate to this boundary edge. Anywhere compound wall is there, in that location I'm telling. So you'll have these type of
Okay.
water
So
bodies.
if there is a building with a fence, then
Mhm.
how can we draw as a
Sir,
building?
if you are getting a building with a fence, you have to put it as a compound, like the fence will be your build up area. There is 1 minute, wait.
Okay.
One minute.
So Sarvana, we have to digitize all attributes.
Yes, ma'am. First, you have to create a database with all attributes, and you have to start with
Okay.
road. Sir, if you are, for example, okay. See, if you are having a building with compound wall, you have to trace the compound wall like this and put it as build-up area. If there is no compound wall, you have to possibly make sure all your lines are 90 degrees, which is, for example, it should be a proper square. If you have a compound wall, even if it is curved, no issue. But if you don't have a compound wall, all your build-up area should be perpendicular, like 90-degree on all sides. That you should follow. Maybe. Here there is a compound wall. In these type of cases, you have to follow the compound wall. So here and all for this building you will see there is no compound wall. In this case, your line should be like this. You have to match it out like this, so that your building will be like exactly drawn. So like you have to make it this type of 90-degree in all area with road accessibility. And see, your road is here, your fence is here. This in between portion is said to be open land. In case if you have a compound wall, but if you don't have a compound wall, it is no issue. See, in these cases and all, you don't have compound wall. Here in these cases, you can put it into one polygon connected with road itself. Don't need to split open land. Okay.
So open land
So
is
visible fence.
a separate polygon.
Yeah, so that should be separate polygon. And if that open land is where footpath is all there, you have to put it in platform. So here we have one thing called platform or footpath. So if that maybe if you are mapping into city area, the nearby road between road and fence, you will have this footpath and all. So in that case, it should not be put it in open land. You have to put it in platform.
Okay.
Yeah. And see, visible fencing, compound wall or boundary wall shall be distinctly mapped. That means when you are having visible fencing or compound wall or boundary wall, you should follow that only. But mostly in these areas, you will not have compound walls. Like you will have a fencing like this with trees. Whatever you have with tree, this is considered to be a fence in this portion of India. So every building in polygon should not overlap with any other feature. Every building should have direct or indirect connectivity to a road network. And road network rules. Roads should be digitalized with smooth geometry and geological continuity. No breaks, dangling segments. Proper connectivity shall be ensured, and road dividers and traffic island must be spatially aligned with road center lines. So you can draw dividers, traffic island, whatever you want, but that also you have to check it whether it is perfect. See, in these type of areas, this will not be open land, this will be platform. And these portions you have to put it in parking areas. This auto stand, bus stand, whatever you have. This portion you have to split and put it in parking portion. So if you are having a compound wall like this, it is better you follow compound wall. Or if you are not having, see in this case and all, there is no compound wall. In this case, you have to draw one polygon like this. That's all. Okay.
Not showing anything.
What, sir?
You drawn any polygon there? Doesn't show any.
No, I didn't draw anything. 1 minute.
This shapefile contains all the ECW or just to 1 square kilometer of.
So you have to add one file, draw it, then continue with that phase. Either if you are having a compound compound wall like this, no issue. Your polygon should match whatever is there in the compound wall. This is for example I'm drawing. Okay, if you don't have compound wall like this, you just have to draw one box like this. That's all. So in place of compound wall, you have to follow the compound wall. If there is no compound wall, you can directly digitalize it like this. And these type of empty spaces, you have to put it in playground. If there is no building like this. So like this, you'll have playground area and your agricultural portion. Your line should be on the center of what you're drawing. See, this is what your agricultural parcel should be, and you have one water body here. So you'll have these type of water bodies everywhere. See, here you are having a water body. See, so these type of portions is all water bodies only. This will be one way or the other connected to any one day. So that you have to check whether it is having any other corrections or not. So rivers and channels, wetlands, wetland one. So these type of areas, this will not be water body. Anything with these type of algae and all, it will be considered as a wetland. Wait, I'll double thing. See, these type of areas. These are actually agricultural land, but they are over flooded with water portion. So these type of areas you have to put it in wetland. This may be mostly near to a water body only. So anything with these type of algae color or something like this you have to put it in water body. I mean wetland. This portion you have to put it in water body. These things. And in this case you have to split every agricultural bun. So each and everything should be a different polygon. And it should be smooth also at the same time. See in these type of cases.
But it should be connected, correct?
You have to
Connected to
use
each polygon.
autocomplete. Yeah, you have to actually create one polygon or use autocomplete polygon for the adjacent polygon. And all your lines should be on the middle of the bun. See here you can see buns on either sides, right? So like this, all your lines should be on the middle of the buns, not in any one side. It should be on the
Like
middle.
how it can be middle of the bun. Uh,
See,
we have to
here if
start
this
it
is a
from.
bun, yeah,
Okay.
your line should be like this on the middle. See, you will have buns on both sides. So whatever you are digitalizing, it should be like this. And once you have digitalized it, you can check it out for topology errors. I think I have shared 20 files. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is 4 files. That is 4 square kilometer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have 20 square kilometer file here. If you want, we can split it evenly like 10 files, or at least 5 files I wanted you to do, so that you will have experience. And I want both of you to do one thing, like a city area like this, minimum, and a full agricultural portion like this also. So if you're doing this both, actually, you will get to know everything. So see, these are all not agriculture. These all are fully agricultural land. And if you're not having any buns or anything like this, you split it as per color. Or if you have doubt, you can ask me. If you're not having any buns, better split it like color wise. See, these two are in different color. This is in different color. This is in different color. So this you split based
There
on
are
color
some
basis. How much
cropland
you
and
want.
fallow land.
But as per government, all these things are agricultural areas only.
Okay,
Because
okay.
these drone flying work will be done on 2 to 3 years of time. So some one portion might be taken while agriculture is going on. One portion might be taken while they have harvested. So it might take that much time to complete these portions and all. So you can consider it as like wherever you're having some color changes, those portion you can split, or you can, if you have doubt in this, you can directly put all these things into one polygon. But if you are having bunch like this, you have to split it. And these type of small roads should also be digitalized wherever you are having roads. So these roads should also be digitalized so that every area in the map will have a road connectivity. Any road might be small or big, it should be digitalized. And there is no mud road and this type of road classification here. See, these type of roads also. Mostly some people will never consider it, but as per this project, we were
In
requested
my
to.
in mining, what I have done is I have completed the road first. By
Hmm.
so it was a smaller area, so it was easier to complete the
That is
road
what
for
I'm
me.
telling, sir. You have
Yeah.
to not add the full file. You just have to add 1 square kilometer. Like you have to turn off all layers.
Yeah.
You have to add
So
any one
correct.
tile you add.
Mm.
First, you have to draw a road for this one tile. Fully digitalize this tile. Then add the
Mm.
nearby tile and work on it. That's all.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
every
here
tile, what
also
I
the
did.
same process. Like first we need
Yes.
to identify one road and fully digitalize it to the same as a
Yeah.
single road. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What
And
if we have missed anything in the middle and we have found out later? We can do it by merging, right?
yeah, you
Adding
can
the
merge it
polygon.
or you can draw that road once again and clip it to the surface. You can, for example, so what you are asking is if you have drawn one polygon like this and you have missed out this road, for example, you have to create one more polygon on the top of it for the road and go here, clip the feature so that this will be separate. And after this portion, you have to go to advanced editing and put it into 3 different polygons. So if you forget, clipping is the only option to do it.
Merging is different.
Yeah, merging is different, clipping is different. So if you're creating one polygon like this and you have forgot, see this water body, for example, I'm telling, you have to digitalize that water body, go here, clip it, and select the polygon in which you clipped and explode it so that you can get it into multiple polygons to work on.
So this
And
will not be
this
an issue because
yeah,
we
this will
have
not be
three
an issue.
polygons. Okay.
Hmm.
It is
So
not
in
like
this
this.
case, when you are merging also, you'll have no issues on merging. And you
Because
have
in
to create a
the
database. Yeah, 1 minute, sir. And you have to create a database. In that, you need one field called asset type or feature type. In this, all these things should be in scroll down.
means subdomain
Yeah, subdomain you have to
under
put.
asset.
Yeah, only for one polygon. You will only create only one feature for this. That's all. Only polygon you will create. Balance and all don't need.
Okay, like in the railway track, we have multiple subdomains. Here, multiple domains and subdomains. Here, we only have asset as a main domain and subdomain as all the assets.
Yeah, yes, that's all good. So here you only create polygon tool, but you will have more features to mark. So this is actually airport. So this you have to draw as per the compound wall. So this will be your airport polygon. So this full will be one polygon because this is full airport area. So this full is one polygon for airport. And if you are working tile wise, you will have like 3, 4 tiles. So you can, if you are getting part by part, for example, this will be one tile in the sense. This portion alone, you put it in airport. While doing the next area, you can merge it out. You will draw 2 polygons and you can merge it out. That's all. Okay. In this portion, you will mostly deal with how to do edge matching, how to merge features, how to work properly without topology errors. That's all.
So that will be after drawing a polygon on the topology checker. Like
Yes, sir.
inspecting the errors. It will come. This
Yes, sir.
are yeah.
Yes, sir. This no. It will be while integrating multiple datas only. Here you have to do it, and I think there only you will have issues like you have to do first tile, then off first tile on the second tile, continue with road everything, and merge those two road. So whatever you are doing, you have to finish that polygon with that tile itself, so that you can start doing it with other tiles. Is that okay, sir?
Mm, okay. After adding two tiles, we can merge the two polygon. Correct? We can able to
Yes,
do
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. So this I think once you just take one tile, do it, and while starting the second tile, let me guide you initially so that you can connect both and work. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. And Mamta ma'am, do you have any other doubts in this?
No, no.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. I think you have the required data, and I have given you the scope also. I'll share you this PPT also for reference in group now.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll share you that PPT also for correction work and for reference work so that no, you'll have every feature marked in it, how to do it, where to do it, and all other things, so that you will be able to work it out on your own. And if you have any doubt in between, please put a message in the group so that I can check and I'll reply back immediately.
Okay. So first we have to digitize all attributes.
Yeah, first, as per hierarchical order, you have to digitalize your roads and water bodies first.
Okay.
So after that only you have to digitalize any other feature. So once you have did your road with all connectivity problem without any issue, you can just use autocomplete polygon to draw all buildings and everything. That is not an issue.
Okay.
And as far as agriculture land is concerned, I want you to create one full polygon of the agriculture land and use cut polygon to split all agricultural portions like this. Because your RGS supports multiple splitting, so you have to split it like this. First, I wanted you to, for example, in this case, here you just create one overall boundary like this, and you just use cut polygon and split it into. So in this case, you can split it into multiple polygons at the same time. So in case
Okay.
of agriculture land, you work like this. And apart from agriculture land, first digitalize road, second water body. Only after digitalizing road and water body, start with features.
Now you have
Okay.
cut used cut polygon, right? So you have
Yeah, yes,
take the
sir.
outside of outside of the
No,
first polygon.
for cut polygon, you don't want outside polygon. You just have to know, you have to select the polygon which you are going to cut and start anywhere from inside also, it will get cut. Or you can start from outside also. So you can select multiple polygons at a time for cut polygon. I have selected multiple polygons here. If I am performing cut polygon also, it will cut. So in this case, you can do all cut polygon work at a single time. So for agricultural portion, follow this step. For city areas, first draw your road and water body, then start with balance all other features. Okay.
The scale is to 1:150, correct? Uh,
Yeah, yes, sir. 1:150. If you are having fencing, even you can go to 1:80 or 1:50 to work. No issue. Okay, sir.
okay.
Because
Sometimes, no.
based on
Uh,
building, you have to go zoom in, zoom out, and all.
okay. Sometimes when I'm creating a polygon, it
Mm-hmm.
gives me the when after finishing, drawing, it gives me a like color. So I'm not able to click on the correct vertices. When you are doing here, it looks like a visible thing, so that you can correctly point it out. So what is the uh, settings we have to do it for checking that visible?
Sir, there is nothing like settings and all. It is like you have to check whether you have properly merged it and clipped it. It is like you have to properly check whether only one layer of polygon is present. That's all. I
No,
think you are having
I
issue
think
with that only.
okay. I think I have uh, made a. I have not said clearly. Can you zoom in or just create one polygon?
Wait, I'll.
Now you are creating a one polygon, right? At that time,
Yes, sir.
you are clicking it almost many points. So on that
Mhm.
time, it is showing that there is a visible thing that you can able to point it out everything. But when I'm doing it, there is other color shades are coming, like filling it on the background. Uh,
So this type you are telling. So I'm
yeah, yeah,
selecting.
yeah. Now, yeah, like this, no, like here, I'm getting this one as a uh, filled area.
Uh,
You are getting it's a visible thing, right? The
yes,
inside
yes.
of the polygon it is visible, but when I'm
Mm-hmm.
doing it, it is not visible while creating it.
So this you have to go here, double click, put it in hollow, and
Okay.
this line width should be 1.5. color is your wish. Mostly, if you go with yellow or red, it will be visible in all images. So unless and until you put it in hollow, so I'll tell you. So yours will be like this. So when you are
Uh,
creating a
uh,
polygon,
yeah, sometimes it comes.
it goes like this. Correct?
Uh, yeah,
Yeah. That
yeah.
is because.
After creating, it's fine. I can change the settings. While creating itself, can you click? Uh,
So that is you
now,
have to change it. Yeah, you have to change it before this one. So before drawing itself, you have to put it in hollow so
okay.
that it will be visible at times. And this 1.5 is standard, so don't want to change the line width and all, so that it will be perfect. So only these minor issues there is nothing like that. You just have to check whether your color is correct. Your and mostly you go with red or yellow because only those things will be visible on all color areas. In colored images, only red and yellow will be mostly visible. If you are going with other colors like say blue, there are like it will not be that much different from what you are having in the zoom level. See, in this case, if you are drawing blue with an water body, you will not be able to identify this blue line. So I advise you to go with red or yellow. If not, go with some type of fluorescent, this cyan color or magenta, something like that, no, to differentiate. So that it will, because some people, I know some people who will get irritated when they use red color in mapping. So I have known some people who will be like those people will not even work with red color because they will get some small irritations here and there. So if you are having that type of things, just go with the cyan or magenta or something more pleasant like green or something like that. Okay. Do you have any other doubts, sir?
Uh, so I have to start with a new shape file, correct?
No,
After
you have to
adding
Sam,
create a
just
new database.
new database
yes,
and
Sam.
then
Can I
adding.
share my screen? Actually, just want to create database.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You can share it now.
Okay. Like all files are open, and then in this folder, what to create? Right click and then file to your database.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then what do after
Right
this?
click, same. Right click, new feature
Shift
data set.
feature data set. Okay.
First one. You give any one
Road.
name to it. Any one name to it.
Okay, road.
No, in this, it will be polygon only. You will have only one database, one data set.
Okay.
Only attribute you have to change. So,
Polygon.
yeah.
Next.
43. 43 or 44, whichever
43.
is convenient to you.
43 or 44?
Whichever is okay, ma'am, because both it will work properly.
Okay. And what?
That's all. Give next. That don't need, ma'am. Give next. Finish.
Okay.
Next, finish. Now
Yes.
select that polygon and give new.
And now create shapefile.
No, ma'am. Feature class. First
Okay.
one. So here you have to give it as features.
Like attributes,
No,
no?
no.
Road.
It is features only. It is features only.
Polygon.
Polygon is the data set type. You just select name
Okay.
as features or something.
What gives features? Write down features here.
No, no. Just give any name to it. Put the name as features. That's all.
Okay. So what will give name?
Features, whatever the features or asset or whatever it is, you can give.
Okay. Road.
But you will not be only digitalizing road with this, ma'am. Not like shape file. You'll do all
Okay.
layers in
Okay.
this file only. That is what I'm telling.
Okay. Now just shape file. And
Now type nothing you have to change. Polygon is there. Polygon feature only you have selected. Give next.
yes. And this is no need to
So there
check.
is nothing to change in. There is nothing to add.
Okay.
Just give next and give next. Finish. Now you just right click on the features. Wait, let it get loaded.
Okay. Right click on features.
Bottom shapefile name you have given a shapefile. Sorry. Right click on shapefile. Go to properties.
Yes.
So here you go to subtypes.
Yes.
Bottom there is one thing called domain. Here in the bottom one, domain.
Go ahead. Okay. Okay. This one. This.
Yeah, yes, from that one.
Yeah.
In that domain, give the domain name as features. FEATURES.
There is no click. Okay.
You can type on it actually.
Okay. So what write down here?
Type it as features or name. Just give names. That's all.
Names. Like attribute names.
No, attribute name should be entered below on coded values. The last box is there, right? Bottom box. There you have to put in code, you have to put road. In description, you have to put road. So here in domain name, you have to just put it as features or names, any one.
Okay.
Ma'am, give
Features
a
like
overall
a
name. Just put
shape
it as
file
attributes. Put it as shapefile or attribute, any one name, just like that.
and description road.
Description you can give whatever you want, like but it should not be left empty. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here is also write down shape file.
No, there nothing you have to write. So go to field
Okay.
type in the bottom.
Yes.
In domain properties, there is one thing called field type. Put it in text.
There.
On domain properties, there is a second box. Domain properties.
Yes. 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 Yes.
There, right side in long integer, you select it. Put it as a text. Text.
Yeah.
That's all. Now, no need to change anything. Now, in coded values, all 24 attributes, you have to put it in code and description. So, first one, if you are typing road in code, then in description also type road itself.
Code number they're given.
Number you can put 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, and description you
Okay.
can put it as
01
road. Description is road.
road. And next,
02.
all
Give enter, it
attributes
will
are
go
a
down.
failure.
No, you can add here only, ma'am. Just not just one. You can add 02, 03, 04.
Yes.
Add
Yes.
every
Okay.
attributes into that. So now you just give apply.
Okay. Need to see.
Okay. Sarvana, when we are choosing the attribute, right? That time we
Yes,
can
sir.
able to choose only code, then, right? It will the
Ma'am, and
description.
this code value, 1 minute. I think this issue is because you have given text na. In code also you write it as road, water body, builder, plant itself. Don't give numbers.
Okay. A, B, C, D, anything can give?
Yeah, you can give A, B, C, D. You don't give numbers alone. That's all.
Okay.
Now give apply.
No. Process.
Domain name. Give OK. Give OK here. I think you haven't selected a domain name.
Fail to save the selected domain.
Domain name you should not,
Please
I think,
enter
give it
the
as
domain name.
you just give it as features. You have
Domain
given
name.
shapefile na there. First one.
Yes, yes.
Shapefile.
Okay.
That no, on the left one. You give it as any other name. Like you give it as polygon or features like that. First
Okay,
one.
where?
Rename the shapefile. They have given first word as shapefile,
Okay,
right?
okay.
That one you
Okay.
rename to polygon or something like that.
Polygon. Yes,
Now
now
give.
it's right.
Now you enter code values here. Ma'am, once you have go to domains once again.
Okay.
See there, you have to change the field type to text again. You have changed the entire domain name. It is reset. Now go to field type on domain properties. Second box, field type.
This one. Okay.
That one. Select it to text once again.
Text. Yes.
Yeah, now enter these values, coded values again, A, B, C. Like A,
Okay,
road,
there.
yeah, like that.
Sarvana, so after
Yes,
when
sir.
we are trying to add attributes,
Uh-huh.
creating a polygons, this code will be visible then, right? To choose, we are choosing a polygon, and then it will be like A, B, or C, or D, something like that.
No, it will give you
This
the
is,
description itself, sir, because this code is only for query and other things.
oh,
Ma'am, now give
okay.
apply. Fail to save the select, please enter a domain name. Okay. I think you're having some.
Domain name.
1 minute, give to team viewer access. Ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm connecting.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. I can take the mouse control, ma'am. to update one of the domain. I think there is a bug with the database. क्लासला இருக்கேன். Yeah, now it is getting added. Hello, Mamta ma'am. Hello.
You're on.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, now it is getting added, ma'am. So you can add how much ever names you want here, and
Okay.
that's all. So whatever you're drawing here, So in this case, you just have to have only one polygon and you have to draw everything into that itself.
Okay. So start from road.
Yeah, I assume. See, here you will have it in scroll down. So for that, you have to stop editing here. In our catalog, go to properties of that. And in subtypes, go to domains. Here, whatever domain you want to add, all 24 attributes, you have to add it here. Add the same in code and description both. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. That's right. Do you have any other doubts, ma'am?
No, no. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Okay. And Sethu sir, do you have any other doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. So then today we'll wind up with this one.
Okay.
So I think you can start with this portion because this portion it is very tough actually. So it is
Yeah.
like easy while seeing, but when you start doing only, you'll have like so much doubts and confusions and whether you have to put it in road or canal or this and that. So in those type of portions, 1 minute. I'll
Like I
just
thought where the difficulty part is like where to choose.
mostly the difficult part is in attributes and differentiating only there. So if you have any other doubts, just in shapefile, select a circle, something like this, and put a circle so that now while doing doubt clarification, you can check for circles and we can sort out the issue. Okay.
Okay.
So wherever you feel like you're having a doubt, just go here, select a circle, just draw it one. That's all. So like you can if you stop that portion, continue with the rest of the things. So once it is all done, you can in classes you can easily identify where and all you had doubts. That's all. Okay.
Yes. Sir, I
Yeah.
just
So
want to know one thing. Want to know one thing. In mining case, can we find out the RL of mining area, venture of mining, mine site?
RL means what exactly you're asking?
Um, RL, just just reduced
Yeah.
level,
What, ma'am?
vertical reduced level.
No, that is what height, ma'am. We can calculate that in 3D. If you have 3D goggles and if you are able to do photogrammetry, you can find out it. No issues.
From satellite imagery, we can't do this.
No, with satellite image you can't do this, but with the drone data you can do it.
Okay, and from DAM data,
Drum data it is not that much possible, but DSM data you can find out. You have the DSM data, right? With that, if you are, you can calculate the 3D height. Actually,
from
in
where we
Pixcode
can
itself,
collect
you can.
DSM data?
No, we have in processing itself. I think you have had the DSM
From
data.
ortho
No,
data.
not in ortho. You have one more folder called DSM. 1 minute.
No, no,
I'll show it.
actually, they
Yeah.
want to know about 2020 and 2025, 24 or 25.
Okay, then do you have data for those two particular periods? So, ma'am, there is one thing. See here. 1 minute. So as far as Pix4D, you cannot do measurement and all, but there are some specific softwares like Contest Capture where you can calculate this height. This is what you're asking, right? The reduced level
Yes,
height.
yes, 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 yes.
Not in Pix4D, but if you're doing it in Contest Capture like that, there you will have a specific scale option. With that, you can scale from there to here. what is the height. That
In
you
which
can do it in
software
some.
we can find out?
You can try it with contest capture, Bentley contest capture.
Okay.
In that, you have separate 3D viewer with all required tools for volumetric analysis, photogrammetry work, all these things.
Okay, okay.
So in that case, you can just directly select the measurement tool. First point, second point, it will give you the height. That's all.
Okay.
But in Pix 4D, it is not possible.
Do you
And
have
for
that
any
software?
yeah, yes, ma'am, I have contest capture, but I don't have actually the crack edition for it. I just have a trial edition which you can
No, I
install,
don't
and
need. I just
it will
want to
only
know
be
that.
active for 7 days. I have the software if you want.
Okay.
So in that software, if you are giving the first point and the second point, it will automatically calculate and give you the height and everything.
And this is
Do you have any?
possible with ortho image data
No, with the
only.
DSM. No, with DSM it is possible.
So
Only
DSM is
with
generated from ortho, no?
no, it is generated from point cloud data. Initially, DSM is generated
Photogrammetry.
with, yeah, the DSM is generated from the point cloud data. So that is why you see these are all will be points only. So your
So is
DSM
it
is
possible
generated from
if
the points.
so
No, you
is it
can't take
possible
the elevation data from ortho.
okay.
No, you can't take it from ortho. You need a DSM or a point cloud data in order to find out the elevation and everything. Ortho
So
is
from
only
where we
for
can
2D measurements.
okay, so where from where we can collect DSM data?
Actually, see, I think if you have processed, you will have this folder itself directly. First one has a DSM. This is your ortho data. The first folder is your DSM. From this, you can take the
Yes,
data.
yes.
Yeah, from this folder, you
But
can take the data. Or there is one folder called in second densification process. There is one folder called point cloud. From this, you can take the height data. This is also possible. So only from these two data, you can take your RL and everything. Every height elevation data can be taken from this. Your ortho only consists of X and Y, only on 2D. So here, if you see whatever data you are using, it will be only marked as on the ground level only. There is no elevation in this. It is only marking it as X and Y. Whereas if you want Z axis, you have to either use in production software or ArcGIS Pro or any
okay,
other software like Bentley and all, MicroStation. You have Erdas, you have Typhoon, something like that. So that you have to use.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
And this TSM is generated from ortho, no?
No, ma'am, Artho is the last one. DSM is generated
No, no.
from this
Actually,
type
yes,
of
yes, yes.
point.
Point. Yeah, yeah. Find out. Yes, got it.
Yeah. Yes.
From drone
So
data
from
that
this point
drone
cloud
pictures
and DSM,
captures.
yeah. Yeah, from drone picture, you are generating aerial triangulation report. From that, you are generating
Okay.
point cloud data. From that, you are generating 3D mesh. From that 3D, you are generating your DSM. From that DSM, you are generating ortho. Ortho is the last
Okay.
portion. See here, I think you are having full hill station, but it is still giving you with X and Y. So in this portion and all, I think it is more clearly visible. There are different levels here. But in order to reduce the horizontal error, it is helping to give it into a 2D format. So only with DSM you are giving ortho, not from ortho to DSM. Okay.
Okay. If we want to know for the year of 2020,
Okay, for which location, ma'am?
Rajasthan.
Okay,
So how
do you
to
have
get
data
this
taken?
data?
You have to have data taken from 2020, or you have to check with the satellite data whether it is considered that level or not. Because
No,
satellite
if
data will never
that
consider. Yes, ma'am.
if drone data is not available, so how we can get such information?
If drone data is not available, I think it is very tough, ma'am. Because satellites will never consider these type of queries into DEM correction and all. It can have, but it will have some 10 meter of error. What you are getting from satellite. So accurately, you can't tell what will be the exact height on 2000 the previous year unless and until you are having data with it. Or at least you should have a DGPS marking or survey data or GCP anything so that you can do
Okay.
interpolation, generate a 3D model. And that will not
O-
also be not accurate, but you can match it up to 60 to 70%. That's all. Not more than that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Tarun, can you show me where the GCPs are actually in this
What's up?
GCP points in this mining area?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hmm.
So like your GCP points will be like you have one GCP point here actually. First point will be here. You have one point here. You can see the yellow color, right?
Mm.
Yeah, one point here, one here, one here, or four, and your fifth point will be somewhere here.
It is on the mining area.
Yeah, yes, sir, of the mining area. Sorry. Sir, whatever we are generating, our GCP should be within the mining area only.
Mm.
So it is like, for example, so here you'll have point one on this location. On this location, you'll have point one. This location is point two. This stone is point three. This is point four. Here you'll have point five.
Is it all like the corner of the point in mining area?
What's that?
If those all the GCPs were pointed on the corner of the points or
One.
randomly?
No, these are all randoms only, but we used to take like one point in each level for better accuracy. See, the first point and second point will be original ground level. So you have one point on the first step. The next will be a little bit down. This will be the last most point. So that while we are doing processing, we will not have elevational issues. Like you will not have, but in order to give more accurate elevation data, we will take like one point on each level. Because if you go for mining, it will be like step by step only. So we have taken two for ground level, one on the first step, two on the second step, three on the fourth step. Like that only we'll calculate. Okay. Do you have any other doubts, sir? Sir, sir?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. Then I think we can wind up today's class. You start with this mapping work because it will take some time to understand everything. I've shared that PPT also. So start with it, and if there is any doubt, please text in the group so that I'll check and tell. Okay? Yeah.
Great.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.